The neurocranium. I said it is made up of 8 bones, 4 unpaired bones and 2 paired bones. The 4 unpaired bones are the frontal, occipital, sphenoid, and ethmoid bones. The paired bones are the parietal and temporal bones. We're going to be taking these bones one after the other to cover all aspects of the neurocranium. Let's take the frontal bone. This is the frontal bone. It is made up of 3 parts: a squamous part, orbital part, and nasal part. The squamous part is here, where you can refer to as the forehead. This is the frontal eminences. As you can see, they are raised markings. Here, primary ossification usually occur here. They are palpable landmarks that help in estimation of age and sex because they are more prominent in males. Here are the superciliary arches. They provide structural reinforcement above the orbit and reflect underlying frontal sinus size. Yes, this is the glabella. It is a smooth midline prominence, usually used in neurological exams. We have the supraorbital margin that forms the superior boundary of the orbit, as you can see. This is the supraorbital foramen, or you call it the supraorbital notch. It transmits the supraorbital nerve, which is a branch of the trigeminal nerve, the ophthalmic branch of trigeminal nerve. It also transmits the supraorbital vessels. These supraorbital structures supply the forehead and the scalp. This is the supratrochlear notch. This one transmits supratrochlear nerve and vessels. This is the zygomatic process. The zygomatic process articulates with the zygomatic bone, and it also contributes to the lateral orbital margin, giving attachment to temporalis fascia. This is the temporal line. Yes, it is here for the attachment of temporal fascia and also helps us to define the boundary of the temporalis muscle. Now let's look at the inner surface of the squamous part of the frontal bone. Here you will see the frontal crest. It is attached to the vas cerebri that helps to stabilize the cerebral hemisphere. This is the foramen cecum. The foramen cecum transmits emissary vein. This emissary vein helps connect the nasal cavity to the superior sagittal sinus. Yes, it is a common pathway for spread of infection. Then here is the groove for superior sagittal sinus. It houses the major venous sinuses that drain the brain. These are the cerebral impressions. They are imprints of the frontal lobes. You know that the brain is divided into lobes, and the lobes will bear the name of the bones within which they lie. These are the meningeal grooves. They are grooves for the anterior branches of the middle meningeal vessel.